Hi and welcome to cleaning your car the right way. I'm going to show you an easy tip to always get a lustrous shine. By using this simple household cleaner, ZEP, which is a heavy-duty citrus degreaser. By adding 1 cup of degreaser to a 4-liter container, preferably a thermos with a closing lid, and warm water. This will be your solution to wash your vehicle with. Then off to the car wash. Or if you have a place at home to spray down and rinse your vehicle, that's great too. Your wheels and rims are the dirtiest part of your vehicle. Make sure to clean them first. If you have WeatherTech floor mats, lather those babies up with the solution you made. Never ever use the brush at the car wash. This scratches the hell out of your clear coat. First, you want to rinse your vehicle down and try and get the majority of the dirt off before applying the solution. Then lather that baby up with microfiber cloth. This solution will remove brake dust and all impurities like dirt and grime. Then rinse that baby down. And watch that dirt and grime slide right off. Then it's time to dry this baby to a beautiful shine using a microfiber cloth. As you dry your vehicle, you can also protect it with spray-on wax. I use Maguiar's Gold Class Quik Wax. Mixing ZEP with 4 liters of warm water, you will be amazed at the results. I've been doing this for 7 years now, and I always get that mirror shine. Hit that subscribe like button after trying this out.